does trading get easier over time?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. The longer you're at it, the more seasoned you are. You get used to trading through different market cycles. And if you're a new trader and you've been trading for a year, you haven't even experienced a bear market yet. How can you know how you're going to deal with the next bear market that comes along, or the next huge bull market, or whatever type of cycle that is going to be? So yeah, you can learn to make money, but you're not attuned to dealing with those new environments when they come along. So as you trade for longer, then it definitely gets easier. One thing I must say on this though, I use this analogy because some people just aren't cut out for trading. Doesn't matter how long they go at it. It's a bit like driving. You can have someone who's been driving for 20 years. Let's use 18 years. I've been trading as of 2016, around about 18 years. Is that about right? Yeah. I could be a driver and I've been driving for 18 years. I could be a terrible driver. Just because I've been driving for 18 years does not mean I'm a great driver. And it's the same with traders as well. So just because someone tells you, I've been trading for 18 years, doesn't necessarily mean that that person's a great trader. They could have just been at it for a long time and they enjoy it and they're passionate about it. But sometimes someone just they haven't developed the mindset enough to be able to really make that leap into making really good gains. They can make a little bit of money, but not quite what you would expect.
So budding traders, would they expect to lose money within the first couple of years really? When would it take them to start experiencing good profits?
Well, it can happen almost immediately actually. So I've met trained traders who have been profitable within their first 6 months, 3 to 6 months, and they're already profitable. So it depends on the mindset of the individual and their background and how they embrace trading. So it does vary, yes. But what I would say to any trader is that just if you aren't profitable in your first year, and let's say your account's just been going sideways, do not get despondent. Because if someone's account's just been going sideways for a long time, I'd actually say, look, you've just built up a lot of experience over a space of a year and you've hardly lost any money. Congratulations. Because it's only going to take a few little tweaks to turn an account that's going sideways into an account that's starting to go up. So it's actually, you've just paid you just had an education which has not really cost you much, and you've just built up a year's worth of experience. It's just a case of going back over your trades, keeping trading diaries and journals so that you can monitor and self-monitor what you're doing to make those adjustments to turn that into a profitability.